We just landed in Ponta Delgada, which is located on Sao Miguel, and we have about 3 days here. It's extremely early in the morning.
And it's extremely in the middle of nowhere.
First and foremost, when you get to Ponta Delgada, in order to get around the island easily, you could rent a taxi every single day and go to each point, but we highly recommend renting a car.
There are few and far between taxis, and you don't want to be stranded or stuck somewhere far out. And it ends up saving money in the long run, because if you look at daily taxi fees or metro fees, they can rack up pretty quickly. The company that we went with was actually off-site, but they sent a representative to meet us at the airport. He had the car rating. We did a inspection around the vehicle, and we were on our way. They say you can experience 4 seasons in one day on this island, meaning it can get cold, it can rain, it can be sunny, overcast, hot. First thing that maybe we notice is that there's just this perpetual wetness in the ground and on the trees. That's how everything stays so lush here. So right now we're walking down this trail, and it just looks like it's just been lightly dusted with like a rain shower. We're feeling a few drops right now.
It's like a lot of drops.
A lot of drops right now, but the greens out here are eye-popping. Alright, so we made it up. Just behind us is Miradouro Boca do Inferno, which means the viewpoint from the mouth of hell.
What?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Well, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful place. Happy to be here.
They say that this is the best vantage point on the entire island, and right now it's so beautiful because there's this crazy mist and clouds coming. I mean, we're really, really high right now. It almost feels like we're on a mountain in Hawaii.
Yeah.
That was cool, right? You like that?
So Boca do Inferno is amazing, but you have to be patient with the weather. When we first got up there, it was completely clear, and then this crazy mist and cloud coverage came in. If you wait, it will pass. We probably waited for about 45 minutes, but it's worth it.
We came in by car. You can actually come right up to the steps, but there was a gate that was closed, so we had to park and walk around the gate to get here. If the gate's open, drive all the way in. If it's closed, just walk in. It's about a 15 to 20 minute walk. Relatively flat until you hit the steps.
Next, we are going to one of the viewpoints, Vista do Rei. It's called King's View. That's what it's actually called. So hopefully the weather holds up and we will be able to see that from King's View. So we're on our way to King's View, and we saw a sign that looks kind of like a trailhead, but instead Raphael decided to drive down it. And We're on one of those mountains where it's just a road on the top. It's like a ridge line, and then it's a straight drop on either side.
Pretty intense. One in, one out kind of situation.
Yeah, so now we're dealing with a car that has to reverse on these windy roads on this cliffside.
Actually, you want to see what it looks like?
On a clear sunny day, you can clearly see that one lake is blue and one is green. Legend has it, there's a fun little story about this. There used to be a blue-eyed shepherd and a green-eyed princess that were in love with each other, kind of like Romeo and Juliet. They were told they were not allowed to see each other. So the story is that the blue lake is from the blue-eyed shepherd's tears and the green lake is from the emerald-eyed princess.
We're currently in someone's room.
Room with a view.
An abandoned room. This hotel probably has maybe 200 rooms and it's completely abandoned. You have a wide open view of both lakes. King's View is right behind us down there. Prime location for this hotel, so I'm not sure why it was taken under. If you know, leave it in the comments. All right, we're currently walking through the abandoned hotel. Super spooky, creepy, right up our alley. You guys know our style.
The original carpet is still in here.
You can hear me sloshing and
There's random light fixtures covered in I don't know what. I mean, this place is completely falling apart and it's awesome.
It's beautiful chaos.
There's an added bonus too. If you climb up to the top of the abandoned hotel, the view's even better. Perfect.
It's giving color back.
We're gonna go to the west side of the island.
See some cows.
I think that's the exit over there.
No.
No.
Oh.
You're literally going in a circle.
What the hell, man?
That's the exit.
Then why does it say, oh, go, oh, that's it up there.
You can read Portuguese.
I have no idea where we're going.